Let me get my hair out of my face. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Usually I would say welcome to Karen to Clean. However, I have a huge announcement to make to you guys. Now I just want to let you know this is not scripted or anything like that. So here it goes. So when I first started with YouTube, like I said, like I said, I don't have anything written down on what to say or anything like that. So I'm just it's coming from my heart. When I first started YouTube, I wasn't exactly sure what to name my channel because of the fact that, well, there's a lot of cleaning channels out there. So I didn't really know what to say or what to name my channel and all that stuff. And since my channel it's a cleaning channel, throughout the years of YouTube, because I believe this coming July 7th will be my 3-year anniversary of being a YouTuber. I mean, I know there's people that's been here on YouTube longer than that, but for me, being on YouTube for 3 years, I'm just mind blown. Anyway, so here's the thing, guys. So when I first started, I was, kind of cleaning my home and posting it on YouTube like other channels do. And like I said, I didn't know what to do, what to name my channel and whatnot. So here's the thing. So the reason why I called it Karen to Clean was because I'm like, okay, I'm caring for my home and, I'm cleaning my home. So I got to thinking about the names and I was kind of writing things down and all that. And I started thinking about I like, caring for my home, which is spelled C-A-R-I-N-G. And so the more I thought about it, it's like, Karen to Clean it's got a nice ring to it and everything. And the reason why I chose Karen to Clean is because I was like, okay, it's kind of play on words, if you know what I mean. And, I'm like, Karen to Clean. So I was, trying to use a little bit of, I don't know what you want to call it. I was just trying to do something a little bit different, but unique at the same time, if that makes sense. And I didn't want to use the word caring because of the fact that, well, I don't know, I just kind of felt like I needed to kind of have something a little bit more to it. So that's why I chose Karen, since my name is Karen to Clean. Anyway, so I think you get the idea by now. So anyway, but like I said, once I started my channel, maybe 3 years ago, July 7th, I know I'm posting this on July the 5th, but my anniversary day is actually on a Tuesday, and my posting days, I'm trying to keep my posting days to Sunday and Thursdays now. So anyway, so since my anniversary is on July 7th, and that's on a Tuesday, it's not really exactly a posting day. So I was like, well, I'll go ahead and make it for, July 5th. So anyway, so that's the reason why I'm coming to you today to tell you that throughout the years, I feel like I have evolved on YouTube. I'm not just cleaning my home, I'm providing different kind of content for you guys. And I just feel like I'm being boxed in by just cleaning. And if I decide I want to do something a little bit different, then I could do it without feeling like, okay, well, my channel is called Karen to Clean. So I feel like it would be kind of, I don't know, like awkward if I feel something else when I'm a cleaning channel. So basically what I'm trying to get at is instead of being just a cleaning channel, I want to branch out, kind of put myself out there, do a little bit more things, and, kind of vlog things for you or whatnot and all that stuff. So anyway, I have decided to go ahead and rename my channel. And the new name for my channel is going to be Living with Karen. And the reason why I chose that is, like I said before, I have evolved over the years of being a YouTuber. I have branched out, and I want to talk pretty much about sort of anything, or if I want to do a video on something else, I want to be able to do that without being kind of boxed in and being Karen to clean. It's more about cleaning than it is doing other things and stuff like that. So anyway, I wanted to kind of make this announcement to you guys. So the announcement is done on, like I said, July 5th, but you won't probably see the name change on my channel or on my social medias until maybe a couple days after that or whatnot, because I wanted the announcement to be out before I actually go and change my channel, because if I change my channel name, then they're like, oh, wait a minute, you know, what's going on here? So anyway, so just to let you know, yes, even my Instagram and my TikTok, I will be changing it to Living with Karen instead of Karen to Clean and everything. I'm going to keep my old videos up, of course. I'm not going to take them down, but it's going to be like a transition. Since I am transitioning into a different phase of my life, I want my YouTube channel to be like that as well. So anyway, like I said before, I enjoy doing, doing a little bit of cooking. I enjoy doing a little bit of decorating. I enjoy, be able to take care of my home, my like outside of my home, like gardening and all that stuff. So I kind of felt like I really needed to I felt like it was time. It was just time. I mean, after being on YouTube for 3 years as Karen to Clean, I feel like it was just really time. Like the Lord was calling me to do this. So anyway, you will still see pretty much the same content I have been doing lately. It's just going to have a different name to it. So anyway, and I know I haven't been over to my mom's house in a while, and I know I've had people to tell me that they really enjoyed that. They really enjoyed me going over to my mom's house, and being with her and doing like decluttering videos or painting videos, because I painted her cabinets in her kitchen or whatnot, all that stuff. However, she just I haven't been over to her house in a while, and the main reason why is because just finances. Things have been kind of tough and difficult and everything. Even we've been having trouble with finances. Not really trouble per se, but we just don't have the extra money to fork out to do like any makeovers or do, like any DIYs and stuff like that. Because even when you do DIYs, you have to fork out the money for it. You have to put in the money for it and all that stuff. And it's kind of like with what we're going to be doing in our backyard soon. We're going to be kind of redoing the fence or whatnot. And we are kind of raising money or try to get some money up and everything like that to be able to do that. And like I said before, there's stuff in our attic that we've been taking out of our attic, posting it on Facebook Marketplace, selling stuff, and we've been doing pretty good, selling stuff. And any monies that we pretty much get from that, we're putting it back so that way we can work on projects around the house. Mainly, maybe try to do more like landscaping, but if there's any projects around the house that we want to do, like so maybe not really big makeovers, but kind of small makeovers, then we can maybe take it out of that fund. And then we also have been, anything in the home pretty much that we no longer use, we will probably sell it as well. So anyway, with all that, that's why I wanted to kind of make this announcement to you guys. And I hope you stick around, because I'm going to be doing more than just cleaning on my channel. So, I'll be doing some vlogging, some gardening, some yard work. And of course, when fall, winter comes or whatnot, my content will change, due to the seasons or whatnot and all that stuff. I was just kind of tired of being boxed into one niche. So now that I'm going to be doing different niches, I'll be able to kind of put a little bit more stuff in my channel and all that stuff. So anyway, I hope this, and let me also say this to you. To those who don't have like a channel or whatnot, and you thought about doing a channel, go for it. Don't let anything stop you. Am I monetized? No, I'm not monetized yet. Would I like to be monetized? Absolutely. And all that. But I also do this for fun too. and all that stuff. But yes, I would like to, you know, make a little money. I don't expect to get rich off of YouTube. That's not what I want. I just want to be able to use the extra money, any extra money income that comes in. It will be towards the house. It'll be towards projects and stuff like that. It won't be just, you know, buying stuff. And that's another thing, you know. I've kind of done videos on minimalism. And I'm still, I don't know if you want to call me minimalistic. I call myself more simple. Like, I mean, I might say a little bit more minimal. Now, my goal in my home is I do want to be a little bit more minimal and all that stuff. And that's one thing we're doing with the attic situation is we have so much stuff in the attic that we don't really need, that it's just collecting dust. I thought, you know, why not sell the stuff, you know, and see if we can get money out of it. And if we can get money out of it, we can use it towards the house, you know, doing, you know, projects around the house. So to me, that's kind of being minimalistic, because therefore I'm not just letting things just sit around my home. I'm actually going to sell it or, you know, donate it or whatever the case may be. And all that stuff. Yeah, I mean, I still got some stuff that's kind of over here that I need to donate or whatever and all that stuff. So anyway, like I said before, if you never had a channel on your own and you would like to start a channel, go for it. Don't let anything stop you and all that stuff, because, you know, and when I was watching cleaning channels, I thought, oh, that'd be kind of fun to have my own channel and kind of clean and do whatever I want to do, or, you know, kind of like if I want to do some gardening, I can. So I'm not just, you know, doing one thing. I'm doing all kinds of different things. So all I'm saying is to you is don't allow anything to stop you. If you want to do a YouTube channel, go for it. Don't let anything stop you from making your dreams come true and all that. And once I become monetized, hey, the sky's the limit, right? So anyway, I hope this video will find you motivational, give you some inspiration, and just to say thanks for living with Karen. Anyway, like I said before, you know, I really am happy, you know, that I'm gonna be changing my channel name, because I just kind of, yeah, I will be honest with you guys, I was really thinking about quitting YouTube, because I was like, man, I mean, my channel is growing. I mean, it's slow. It's a slow process. I will say that. And I thought, well, maybe if I kind of broaden my horizons, broaden my YouTube thingy, that way I won't be so boxed into one thing, and maybe it will, you know, get viewers in and all that stuff. So also I was going to say this. If there's anything that you want, if there's something that you would like me to share with you guys, I'll do the best I can. So maybe you put into the comment what you would like me to maybe film or whatnot, or record or whatnot, and I'll do my best to film that. Now, if for any reason I cannot film it, I will definitely let you know, or I'll definitely comment to you, whatever and all that stuff. And I was also going to say this. I see a lot, I do see people that do watch my videos, and they do see them and everything like that, because I am seeing the views go up and everything like that, but only a few of you make a comment. And I would love to meet you guys. I would love to get to know you. There's like a couple of channels I do watch and everything that do not only cleaning, but do DIYs and do makeovers and maybe, you know, do thrift hauls or whatnot, like Carrie Lynn. Oh my gosh, Carrie Lynn's channel, I mean, I love her channel. She is so down to earth, and that's one of the things I love about her. And me and her kind of have something in common. Her husband's name is Dylan, and my husband's name is Dylan. So I feel like me and her have something in common and everything like that. So shout out to Carrie Lynn. Girl, you motivate me, you inspire me. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I hope you join me on my channel, Living with Karen. Okay guys, Well, that's enough talk, enough chatter, I think. I could probably go on for a long time. At least that's what my husband tells me. I could talk and talk and talk and all that. But anyway, so thank you guys for hanging in with me. Thank you for your support. And I so appreciate your support. When you subscribe to my channel, oh my gosh, that supports me a whole lot. Make sure you like it, because it tells YouTube what it is you like, what it is that you want to watch from me. And when I see that, when I see my video being liked, when I see my video being commented on, sharing, oh my gosh, guys, that just gives me so much support. And I thank you for that, guys. I really, really do. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop chattering. And anyway, okay. And happy anniversary to me for being on YouTube for 3 years. Okay, guys. Anyway, I hope you have a blessed day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.